When leasing an apartment, safety is essential. However, accidents may arise from unsafe conditions, lack of maintenance, or landlord negligence. Whether it's a slip and fall, faulty wiring, or insufficient security, you may have legal options to recover damages. An apartment accident attorney can support tenants and visitors in holding negligent parties accountable for hazardous conditions. Knowing your rights is crucial for recovering medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Rental property accidents often occur due to avoidable unsafe conditions. Common hazards include slip and fall incidents from wet floors, broken stairs, or loose carpets. Faulty electrical wiring can lead to serious electrocution risks or fires. Inadequate safety measures, like poor lighting and faulty locks, can result in assaults. Physical defects such as damaged balconies can cause severe injuries. Moreover, poor maintenance of leaks or faulty smoke alarms can pose significant dangers. Even a landlord's failure to control vicious dogs on the property may result in liability. Determining who is responsible in an apartment accident hinges on individual case details. Landlords and property owners must provide a safe environment and can be held liable if they ignore hazardous conditions. Property management companies also share this responsibility. Maintenance contractors may be jointly liable if their negligence leads to injury. Third-party vendors could be at fault if they provide faulty equipment or maintenance. For a personal injury claim to succeed, proving negligence is necessary. This involves demonstrating that the responsible party had a duty of care, breached that duty, caused your injury, and resulted in damages. After an apartment accident, it's vital to take steps to strengthen your case. First, seek medical attention, as your health is the priority. Document the hazardous condition through photos or videos and report the incident to your landlord in writing. Gather witness statements and keep all records related to medical bills and safety complaints. Consulting an experienced apartment accident lawyer can provide crucial support in navigating the legal process. If you file a successful claim, compensation could include medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, relocation costs if the unit becomes uninhabitable, and wrongful death damages if applicable. Navigating a personal injury claim against a landlord can be complicated, especially with insurance companies involved. An apartment accident lawyer can investigate, gather evidence, identify liable parties, negotiate settlements, and represent you in court if needed. Remember, you have rights as a tenant. Understanding the process and seeking assistance from a qualified attorney can significantly impact your recovery journey. If you ever face an apartment accident, take action. Document everything and seek legal help. Don't handle it alone. Reach out to an expert who can guide you through the complexities of your situation. Call AccidentPros LLP at 1-855-776-7557. We serve all of California, and our consultations with an attorney are always free.